Hi, this recording will show you how to set up your event judging. Go to Settings, Event Judging Setup, and then from here you can add your judging setup either for your salons that you want to run or for club nights. Now I'm just going to choose an already created one just to show you what it will look like. But you basically just say add if you want to add a new one. But in this case I'm just going to update an existing one. So here you'll have the name of your judging setup. That's just for you to be able to distinguish between the different ones and know which one's which. Then remote judging enabled just means that you'll be able to use remote judges through Emma Connect to judge your event. In the scoring type, we have two different scoring types. One is sliding scale and then there's star rating. Now sliding scale is where you use a sliding scale method to create your awards. So for example, 1 star and 9 would be a gold, but in 4 star and 9 is actually a bronze. And then all your images will be displayed together, judged together, but the awards will just be different. And the other scoring type is your star rating, and that's the traditional scoring type where all the star ratings are judged separately and your awards will be given for that star rating. So in this case, I'm just going to make it sliding scale. Then you've got your entry sorting type. That's just how your images will be displayed for judging. Whether it's category title first or just by category or just by title. And then for star rating, there's different options. It's category, star rating, title, or then star rating, category, title, or any of the others. So you can choose how you want those to be displayed. Then we've got score calculation. That is how, well, the scores will be calculated from the judges. Some individual scores would be that the judges' scores will just be added together and that would make your total point for that image. And then we've got average scores where the judges' scores will be averaged out and the average score is your final score. Then you can also choose how many judges you have for that event, and then the minimum score per judge and your maximum score per judge, and then the maximum total score. This can be anything from out of 5 to 50. That's absolutely your choice. And then for the award allocation, for example, if this is salon judging, you of course would not want awards to be allocated. So you'll just tick the tick box here and say do not allocate awards. This will just mean it's a salon. You do not need awards. It will basically just score the image and that's it. Otherwise, you'll set up your award allocation in here. So you can, I'm just going to go to update, but of course you can add a new one. This will just tell you for which star rating, what the award would be for that star rating, and you can choose bronze, gold, silver, any award that you have set up there. And then what's the minimum inclusive score? So it's from the minimum score to the maximum score for that specific award. And then for, if it's star rating, of course all the awards will be the same for that star rating. So you will only have to set it up once. So you'll just say it's the same for all the star ratings. But for sliding scale, they will all be different. So you'll have to set them up separately. And of course, if you want to save it, you just click on the save button. And as you can see here that I've already set up, you'll have your 1 star with all the awards and what's the minimum and the maximum score. And this is for sliding scale scoring, so you can just see everything set up for all the different star ratings that you've got. And then when you've set everything up as you want it, you just click on save, and that will save your event judging setup ready for entering your club.